Hey everyone, thanks for checking out our video today. Here at the Auto Connect, we got a 2015 Toyota Prius 4. It has 111,000 miles on it, like new tires. We just serviced it, fresh oil change. It drives excellent. Has a nice aftermarket Sony radio in it. A little bit of body damage here on the rear bumper cover. You can see that. Overall, she's very clean. So it does have leather, heated seats, Bluetooth. See, she's in good shape. A little bit of a scuff down there on the bottom of the front bumper. The inside, as you can see, nice and clean, leather. Has a JBL system in it. Drives really well. Go ahead and start her up. You can see up there. It's something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout, 228-438-2056. You can call us or text us or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any foreign or luxury domestic vehicles, foreign too, we'll definitely help y'all out, get them back on the road. Thank you for checking out this video.